Oh yeah, look at that. We're gonna do another test with the Osmo. This is the Osmo Action, and we do another test if we are good in the, you know, original mustard. So if we are good with the focus on this one, it's another test. So I do hear that, let's get the dog in the sun. Come on. So I get like wild messages there. Stay. So we're gonna look at the fur now, if this is clear. That's good. So I get messages that when you take the lens off, I'll do this quick. So when you run this thing without lens cover, see, without this original one, that then the camera films different. So let's go over here. The dog ran away. So I can't do this side by side because I only have this camera here. That's why I can't do side by side. Look, come on, Lucy, come here. Lucy, come to me here. Here, come. There, stand. Stay. And we take a look again at the fur. Stay. No, stay. No, sit. Man, I don't want her to be in the sunlight. How do we do this? Come here. Stand. No, that's not stand. Stand. Good. Stay. So we're doing here a quick fur check. I'm gonna go super close and then further away again. It's like 1 meter away now. And then I put the lens back on. This is the original lens that came with the camera. Lucy, come. Here. Stay. Stand. Stay. Yeah. Look at this. So, now you tell me if there was a difference. And I just need to ask the guys who have their camera fixed and repaired from DJI, like when they send you the camera back after it was repaired, I would take that lens cover off and see if it's the same with and without, because only then that means that they really fixed the lens and not just slapped on a new lens cover with a different focus plane or whatever you call this thing when this thing has, so that they replaced the lens cover with a lens. Maybe that could be an option to fix the bad out of focus situation. You know, since the lens is glued in. I wonder how they replaced the lens module. How easy it is to open this camera or not. Alright, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna eat in a minute here. The original yellow mustard with a hot dog here. There, beef hot dogs. 1 for the dog, 2 for me. I was wondering where the stick went today. It's so hard to find. It's right here. There she is. Cleaning herself, hanging upside down. Osmo Action. But I don't know how good or bad the camera can picture this. Here, there's the stick there. Big stick. Mantis. So the question is, does ND4 filter make anything better? Is that a difference? Again, I do have a polarizer filter on this. you can see here the solar panel, and now if I turn this around, you can see how the reflection of the sun is visible. If I turn it further, here, there, in this area, now it's gone. Because of the filter, see? Take it off, you can see it. Put it back on with a magnet. It's there. You can basically mask out the reflections of the sun on here, on the panels back there and the panels back here. See? Now the reflections are there. Now they're gone. Polarizer filter. There's Lucy. So this is the kit here for the kit for the Osmo Action 1. It's quite different from the latest, because this one is magnetic, while the other one was not magnetic. So I can change this, for example, ND8, and this is ND16. Let's try that. Here, ND16 is for the very bright day. Look at that. No? Turn on it to a way where the reflection basically turns into the black area. See that? The solar panel made a lot of light today. ND16. There she goes. Lulu. Go over here for a second. Yeah, there she is. Look at you. ND16. So the thing is, it's magnetic, okay? And so I have to remove the magnet from the lens now. Here, this is the magnetic ring where you can magnetically attach those lenses to. And this is the original one. It has a 0 on here. There. And here's the kit.